Dada. And get Daddy's sister. Hello.
Welcome to the Rapuzzle channel. Today we are going to be opening up some LOL surprises right before bedtime. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm opening this.
Okay.
And get Confetti.
We're gonna open this one first.
I got it.
Okay, what does it say?
Hi, darling, food in this.
It says cherry bomb.
Cherry bomb?
With a leopard and bomb finger tattoo.
Finger tattoo?
Here's the first one.
Okay. It's the glasses. It's the real glasses.
Oh, I think we got a duplicate.
Yep.
Some blue and white glasses. Okay, what's next?
This one next.
Yep, we got a duplicate. Little white boots. And the white and blue cup. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. I got it. I too got it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, pull.
Wow, Confetti.
Here's your doll.
Some white more.
Here she is. But it looks like we got the color changing one this time.
Yeah. Here's the water.
We're gonna have to get some water in a little bit after we open the other doll, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna open the other doll now. Oh, it is a color changing one, but her eyes all messed up.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We don't get a different right now.
That makes me sad.
Yeah, it makes me sad too.
And Chloe's beauty sleep
Eyeball.
tattoo is a little cat.
And next one.
A
Nope.
beige and pearl bottle.
No.
Beige and pink pajamas.
I put on my ear.
A little pink heart sleeping mask. Okay, and some beige shoes. Little slippers. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Here we go.
Yeah, put these.
All right.
It's another different
She's
one.
a different one.
Why, Freddy?
Right.
No, Freddy. No, Freddy.
No, you don't want to play with that.
It's a Freddy. It's a everywhere.
All right, let's see what ones we got. We got Sleeping Baby.
Yep. We did.
And we got Go Go Girl. She's a duplicate.
Yep.
She's the color changer, I believe.
This one's some powder.
And
Nope.
let's look at her on here. And she can be a color changer as well. So we're gonna have to go get some water, huh?
Yep. I'll put these in Freddy way.
Let's see what happens.
She did it. So this cartoons are.
Right, she gets pink hair and a little bodysuit.
She doing cartoons.
That's pretty cool.
She doing
And
cartoons.
she is a color changer.
Her hair not. Her hair not.
Let's see. Looks like her swimsuit turns into a darker pink. Okay, and she's a spitter.
And
we got 2 spitters.
yep, she's spitters.
So maybe we can find a way to fix that eye up for her. Makes me sad that we got color changer, but the face is messed up.
Yep. I make it too white. And put our clothes on.
We can put her clothes on.
And this clothes. There's a mask. And she goes sleep.
Yeah, so she can go sleep with you.
Yeah.
It's her bedtime too, see?
That's not that bedtime.
That's why she has a sleepy mask.
Yep. I put her mask on.
Her hair changes with warm.
Yeah, our hands.
How cool.
Our hands.
Yeah, hold on.
Her hair turns.
Yeah, her hair turns a different color with warm.
Her hair. And this hair.
She turns blonde. Her
Yep.
hair turns blonde when warm. She gets pink stripes.
I got to
How
it.
cool is that? That is awesome. Do her eyes change color?
Nope.
I think they do. Hold on, let's go get the cold water again.
Okay. Her eyes not.
I think her eyes change from brown to blue. They do. That is awesome.
And can you that? Oh.
So her eyes are brown. Her hair is brown. And when it gets warm, you can hold it in your hand for a little bit.
Her hair now.
Eyes turn blue. And her hair turns blonde with pink stripes.
What?
That is really cool. I've never seen one where the eyes colors change. It's awesome. I think she's ready for bed now though, just like you, right?
Yep.
The sleep mask, she's all ready for bed. This one's perfect for getting at bedtime, right?
And this?
Yeah, she's cool too.
She going to sleep?
We've got 2 color changers, and that's awesome. Are you ready to go to sleep now?
Yeah.
Time to go to sleep. You gotta lay down. You can't go to sleep when you're sitting up.
And then you go sleep. You go sleep, Mama.
Yep, Mommy's gonna go to sleep too.
Please do it. Do it.
So you gotta lay down so you can go to sleep.
Thanks, Watson. Subscribe.